In our next video, we'll be looking at dot product. So given that we have this vector v and w, the dot product of these two vectors will be given by, we'll just have it as AC. So A will multiply with the x component to the x component plus BD. So this will be the value of our vector of our dot product. So for us to give a quick example, if say our v is equal to 6, -2 and our other vector is equivalent to -3, 4, then the dot product for v w will be, so we'll have 6 multiplied with -3, so that is 6 multiplying with -3 plus -2 multiplying with 4. Then we can simplify. This is -18 minus 8, and this is equal to -26. Then this is our dot product. Then briefly I can just show you the properties of the dot product. We have the following 7 properties. So property number 1 is that when you get v dot w, it's the same as w dot v, which means it's commutative. The solution that you get is just the same for both vectors. Then we also have this property. If you are multiplying, if you have u dot other vectors inside the brackets, the product that you have is that you have to get u dot each vector property inside the bracket. So that is u dot v and u dot w. Then the third property, the scalar property, if we have a and then we have u dot v, we can simplify it in this way or in this way, where we say a and u multiply, then we get the dot product with v, or a and v multiply, then we get the dot product with u. Then the dot product of the same vector v dot v will just result in us having the magnitude of that vector and we square it. It's the same thing. Then 0 dot a vector, the answer is 0. I dot I, j dot j all give us 1. And finally I dot j is 0, j dot I is 0. So we need to know these properties by heart. Okay, let's solve some questions based on this. Okay, so based on the previous lesson, we're going to find the dot product of the vectors. So we'll just pick selected questions again. So we might just pick 1 and 3. So we find the dot product for, so v dot w. So that is our vector v is 3, -2. We're saying dot 1, 3. So we multiply, that is 3 by 1, we just have 3, plus -2 by 3 will give us -6. Then the addition of the 2 will be -3, and this is our dot product. So picking the other one, which is 3, where we have those. So if we say v dot w again, so where we have I plus 2j dot negative I plus j. So here, remember from the properties, I dot I is 1. So we just multiply that. So I dot I by I will just be 1, and that's negative 1. Plus, if we say I dot j, remember it's 0, so there's no point of writing it. So we just do I and I. Then 2j with that's the j, because 2j with I will give us 0. So 2j multiplied by j there, we just have 2, because j by j is 1, so this is just 2. Then our representation will just be negative 1 plus 2, that is 1. And you're done. So that's how you solve expressions if you are told to find the dot product.